Marketing for EMEA. I'm here on the Azure stand at Insight Barcelona, and I've got with me Geert, who tells me he is a global black belt for NetApp in EMEA. Let's dig down a little into the customer value and talk about some of the use cases and workloads, and really kind of give us an idea about our partnership between our two companies.
Yeah, so what we've decided to do as two companies is to basically build a new service for enterprise file-based applications straight into Azure.
Yeah.
So what that means is that these customers that can now move those workloads that they have running on-prem pretty much transparently into Azure and start rationalizing cost and start their data center and digital transformation phases after they've moved to Azure. So if you look at the workloads that we're targeting with this, it's kind of a three-wave kind of approach. So we're targeting pretty much any enterprise application, open source Linux workloads, and that's why the Penguin is here, to run on this service. So basically any application that runs on an NFS mount point that needs performance, that needs the reliability, and that needs the enterprise data management capabilities that NetApp is so known for, and they want to run it in Azure, they can run this on this service. It's not limited to those applications for open source, also in mixed environments where Windows applications and Linux applications need to access the same data, can start using this service straight out of Azure. Now, the main differentiator for this service is that we've built this into the Azure framework and into the Azure overall architecture, so it looks like an Azure service, it feels like an Azure service, and it actually performs like the fastest Azure service that you can find. And that basically means that we're opening up, let's say, a second wave of applications that we can target with this, like ERP type workloads for Oracle, SAP. We're actually actively running the engineering gauntlet, if you will, to get certifications done for HANA, for any other SAP type workload. So we're really targeting the enterprise mission critical workloads that customers run on-prem today and want to move into Azure. The third workload, or the third wave, if you will, we're looking at is to integrate this into the platform from a more platform type service perspective. So think about plugging into HE Insight to get analytics out of the existing data, running it into Databricks, other platform services like machine learning, etc. So really to add value on top of what you already have. Okay. So that's kind of what we're looking at doing with this service.
So it sounds like there's a ton of stuff in there. So thank you very much, Geert, and over to you.
Thanks for having. Thank you.